Hi, thanks for watching. In this video, we're going to showcase a tool called eComps 360. With this new custom-built tool, determining after repair values and therefore offer prices has never been easier. Simply enter the property address you're interested in, and information such as square footage, beds and baths, previous sales data, and neighborhood information is clearly displayed. In addition to the subject property information, eComps 360 provides data on up to 20 comparable properties in the area, ranked by their proximity and similarity to the subject property. The comps are displayed on the map, and clicking on one of the pins brings up a quick look at the property. Also, simply drag the little man to the map and quickly see a street view of the property and neighborhood. Want to know detailed information about a property's tax records? Just click this link, and you'll be taken to that property's page on the state's tax assessment website. eComps 360 pulls property information from multiple sources, compiles the data, and displays only the relevant information in a neat and easy-to-read format that even a basic real estate investor will understand. No investor can get in the game without a high-quality comp tool, which is why eComps 360 is now available to every REI 360 member. Not a member yet? Get a free 30-day trial membership, including access to eComps 360 at any time by going to rei360.net.